FaheemShaheen English Practice. Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, welcome to FaheemShaheen channel. Today we will practice spoken English for beginners. Stay with me 2 minutes. Repeat after me and by the end, you will be more confident in speaking English. Repeat after me. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Ali. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from Pakistan. Please speak slowly. Can you help me? Thank you very much. Mini conversation practice. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, what about you? I'm good, what is your name? My name is Jia, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Useful phrases for beginners. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? I don't understand, sorry, I don't understand English fast. Can you repeat please? That's great. See you later. Ending. Great job! Today you learned basic sentences and a small conversation. For homework, write 3 sentences about yourself in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like and comment and subscribe our channel.